Having trouble with Siri on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it. First, update your iPhone and check compatibility. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Select Software Update. If an iOS 27 update is available, install it. Next, make sure your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is available on iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and newer supported models. Older iPhone models do not support the new Siri AI features. Now, check your internet connection. Open the Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off again. Try activating Siri and see if it's responding normally. If Siri still isn't working, move on to the next fix. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Release it when the Apple logo appears. Wait for your iPhone to restart completely. Next, check whether Siri is restricted. Open the Settings app. Tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Siri. Make sure Siri is allowed. Close Settings. Try activating Siri again. If the issue continues, reset the Siri setup. Open the Settings app. Tap Siri. Tap Requests. Turn off Hey Siri. Turn off Press Side button for Siri. Wait a few seconds. Then turn both options back on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Siri again. Speak each phrase clearly during the setup process. When the setup is complete, activate Siri using your voice. If Siri still isn't responding, check the language settings. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Select Language and Region. Make sure your iPhone language is set to English United States. Go back to the main settings page. Tap Siri. Select Language. Verify that it is set to English United States. Next, tap Responses. Make sure Siri is set to Prefer Spoken Responses, or the appropriate option that allows Siri to speak back. Close Settings. Activate Siri again. Siri should now respond and work as expected. These are some of the most effective ways to fix Siri AI issues on iOS 27. And that's it.